can actually trace it back to revising for my GCSEs. When they come, it can last anywhere from an hour or two, or sometimes they can be a bit more dramatic, and it can last for maybe 1 or 2 days. I'll have that overhanging feeling of where I do get the pain and the sickness, and the focal disturbance takes a long time to go. Really, over the years, having tried a lot of different medication, had just resigned myself to the fact it's just one of those things that happens. Perhaps when I get into a bit of a state of overwhelm or stress, the usual pattern would be 2 to 3 times a week. The medication we found to work is actually a form of antidepressant. Wasn't an ideal solution for me longer term, but you do what you've got to do to get through the day. That was how I was controlling it, but I was still getting a major occurrence once or twice a month that I just have to go to bed for a day or even two until it subsided and sorted itself out. Over the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've had no occurrence, not even a little bit of pins and needles in my hand, no focal disturbance, not even a minor occurrence. So that's been absolutely huge. It's been fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Do you know what? I've completely forgotten about it.